Good afternoon, sir. My name is Charlie Bogbog, BSMT 2022, Formative Assessment Number 5, PowerPoint Presentation. Purpose of UNCLOS. The purpose of the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, or UNCLOS, is to establish the comprehensive legal framework governing the use of world oceans and seas. It aims to define the rights and responsibilities of nations concerning the use and management of marine resources, including navigation, fishing, and mineral extraction. Establish guidelines for the protection and preservation of the marine environment. Settle disputes related to maritime boundaries and interpretation and application of international maritime law. Promote cooperation among nations in the peaceful use and development of ocean resources. Ensure the freedom of navigation and overflight for all states in accordance with international law. Protection the rights and interests of landlocked and geographically disadvantaged states in accessing and utilizing the resources of the sea. How many countries are part of UNCLOS? As of my last update, 168 countries and the European Union are parties to the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, or UNCLOS. However, the number may have changed since then, so it's always a good idea to verify the most recent information. Who enforces UNCLOS? The enforcement of the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea primarily relies on the cooperation of its member states. Each member state is responsible for implementing and enforcing the provisions of UNCLOS within its jurisdiction, particularly regarding maritime boundaries, navigation rights, marine environmental protection, and the exploitation of marine resources. Additionally, UNCLOS established various mechanisms for dispute resolutions, including the International Tribunal for the Law of the Sea, or ITLOS, and arbitration procedures which help to resolve disputes between states regarding the interpretation and application of UNCLOS. Furthermore, international maritime organizations such as the International Maritime Organization (IMO) and the International Seabed Authority, or ISA, play roles in promoting compliance with UNCLOS provisions related to maritime safety, marine environmental protection, and the management of deep sea resources. What are the four zones of the Law of the Sea? International waters. These are waters on the landward sides of the baseline from which the territorial sea is measured. Second is the territorial sea. The territorial sea extends up to 12 nautical miles from the baseline. Third is the contiguous zone. This zone extends from the outer edge of the territorial sea up to 24 nautical miles from the baseline. Fourth is the exclusive economic zone, or EEZ. The EEZ extends up to 200 nautical miles from the baseline. In the EEZ, coastal states have sovereign rights to explore, exploit, conserve, and manage natural resources, both living and non-living, in the water, seabed, and subsoil. What is the full form of EEZ? The full form of EEZ is Exclusive Economic Zone. That's all, sir. Thank you.